on here. And there's even two, and there's a purple one, and that comes right by the flowers. And look, there's one there, 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 and there's a bird. And there's what? And look way on there. That's the one way up there. Mom, you're going to have to reach that egg that's way up there.
Okay.
Let me see. I'm going to put it out.
That's why you touched my car? Hey, popping?
It's my car again. I have to do it. It's a gold one right down in there. And two on the brick. That hidden one. It hit two on the brick. One up there. I think that's all the eggs. Over here. I thought that's all the eggs. Now I got stuck on this way because there's eggs. There. Now we got 2 and 2. Right in front of us. Little window. I can reach it right from my window. Flappy.
She's helping you. Olivia. Mackie, go find the eggs.